Hi everybody. Today I would like to present how to do content of a table of contents, table of figures, and list of tables. Just quick. Okay, so I already have my file here, and then the first thing you need to do, you should save the original file into the new name, so it's not going to affect the original file, because when you do the contents, this might have some problem with your original file, or you might do some change. uh, so let's get started. For the thing that you are looking for is to have the content look like this one here. I'll show you quick. This one I have our content. I also have our table of figures, also list of table. So let's start with the contents. Alright, so you take a look at the main menu here. Go to insert and go to the sub menu or reference. Go to index and tables. Click on table of contents. What you can see is that here is like show levels 3. That means you want to put let's say the topic 1, 2, 3, 4, and the heading 2 you want to put the topic 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Heading 3 you want to put like 1.1, 1.1.1, 1.1.2. And for the formats, would like to choose the format. This is what you're looking for, but I haven't played around with the rest of the options of the formats yet. Okay, so let's go to the formal one here, and it's specified by heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. So you click OK, Control Z to undo that. First, you go to topic 1, you highlight the text, and then you go to the heading 1. Okay, before you do that, I'll show you you look at the end of the page, number 2, and the top of the page, number 3, you have the topic 2, or the project description here. You have to keep your eye on this one. Make sure it's not gonna move to the next page, or you don't want to do some change. You want the text is going to be just like what you see. You highlight topic 1, and then you go look for heading 1, and then this seems to be the size change from 12 to be 24. You want to change this back to be 12, and you notice you can see that you have the blank line here. So what you need to do, you need to kick this one back by delete. Okay, when you have this one here, background and objectives of the project, you highlight this one, and then you move to the topic number 2. So I have topic number 2 here. I highlight that again. So, but you better to take this one to the top of the page number 3 again, and then you highlight. And now you don't have to look for heading 1 again. What you need to do is you go to format, the menu format, you go to styles and formatting, and you're looking for heading 1 again. Okay, it's gonna give you the size again to be 24, but you don't want to repeat this one again and again, so you just go to here, new style. You click this one, you change the size of the Times New Roman from 24 to be 12, and it show you this is the style number 1. Okay, you hit OK, and then you click style 1 again. It's come back to the size of Times New Roman 12. And then let's move to our topic. This one is give you the blank line again, so you want to bring the topic 2.5 up to the page number 4, right? Looking for topic number 3, just right here, right? You look at this one at the end of the page number 7. Do you have power transmission, and then system is on the page number 8. So you want to keep your eye on this one, make sure it doesn't change. You highlight this one again, you hit style 1. See, it's moved a bit, so you want to delete the line here, back. So you have power transmission and the system on the page number 8 still be the same. You try again on the topic number 4. You hit this one again, so your transmission, power transmission, is show up on the page number 8. It's supposed to be on the page number 7, right? So you delete this line again. Okay, and then this is the head heading 1, and you want to do the heading number 2. What you can do the same thing. You look for the topic 2.1 here. Alright, make sure you have a cooling system at the end of the page number 3, and the topic 2.5 is at the top of the page number 4. Then you highlight this one again, and now you might want to go look for headline number heading 2, and then you want to change this, the new style, to be the Times New Romans to be this want to be the same, and then the size is 12. So you hit OK, but this one is still you need to do something. Okay, deactivate the italic one here. You click OK, and you hit style. This going to be style number 4. Okay, sorry about that. So you look for style number 4. It's somewhere I don't know why I don't see this one. Maybe it's the top. Style number 4. I don't know what happened. I'll try it again. Heading 2, new style. Well, if you don't see it, you can change that one to be your style number 3. You want to set this one up to be style number 3. You hit OK. I don't know why style number 4 just show up. Doesn't matter. You can hit the style number 4 again, so it's back to what you have. But you need to change this one to be style number 4 as well. Okay, you just need to play around with this a little bit. Click style number 4. I don't know why it doesn't change. Oh, this is style number 4, not italic. Alright, now you sorry. So this one is the move the cooling system to the page number 4, right? So you want to take this one back so that you delete the line, and then actually you may need to do some change here. Okay, cooling systems to be the same, and topic 2.5 is on the top of the page number 4. Sorry. And then you want to change this one to be non-italic, and then you go to the topic 2x2, you click style full, not italic. Let's move that line a little bit. So you want to delete the line at the top of the topic 2x2. What happens is that you have the topic 2x5, move to the page number 3. So let's do this again. Okay, it's come back to normal. Now topic 2x3, hit style not italic, to check again. If everything's still the same, you don't need to do anything. Try again, 2x4, style full, not italic. So it's moved, sometimes it's moved, sometimes it doesn't, so you have to keep your eye on that. So it's back to the same. Now you want to do the content. So let's go to the end of the file. You control end, and then you go to insert, you go to reference, you go to index and table. So everything is ready. You just hit OK. So it's going to create the content for you, like this one. It might look different. So what you can do, because some is like bold, sometimes it's unbold. So what you need to do is just like do bold and unbold again. So this is what you're looking for. Now the other problem is that when you want to copy this one and open the new document, you control V to paste. The problem is that when you try to print, let's say example, you want to create a PDF file, you click OK, it shows some error. Okay, to solve the problem, you have to go to let's get back to the content in the original file. What you need to do, you need to highlight the text, and you hit Control Shift and then F9. Okay, Control plus Shift plus F9. You see underline show up, so you don't need to care about it. You can remove it, and then now you can copy everything. Control C and go back to the document 1. You can see the difference. So I'll paste Control V, and you try to print again. Now it's going to be okay. See that? I have no problem. Okay. And then now let's do the table of figures, and I'm going to use the same as the list of tables. What you need to do is you go to let's Control Home, see the top of the file, and then you go to figure that you are looking for. Okay, for this one here, you just highlight. It's going to be different than when you work on table of content. Okay, you use table of figures, it's going to be different. So you highlight this one, you pick up let's say style 5, or you go to heading. You don't know what you want to do, you go to new style, and it's going to be in style 6. You are just simply get back to the size of 12, and this one still be the same way, the font Times New Roman. you click OK, you hit style 6, it should get back to the same. And again, you have to make sure that everything is, look like the original file. This is another figure 1.2. You take a look at this one. The scope of study here is at the end of the page number 15, and this is the page number 16, the feasibility. So you do it again, style 6. The feasibility is still the same, so you don't need to touch anything. Now let's try again. Okay, figure 3.1, and on the page number 20 here. So style 6 is to be the page number 20, so everything is look okay. You go to the end of the file. Now you want to do the table of figures. You go to insert, you go to reference, you go to index, and what you need to do, you go to options. Okay, it's going to be different than table of content. You simply hit OK, but for this one you go to options, and then you change footer here to be your style number 6. You hit OK, you hit OK again. So this is what you have for a table of figures, and you do the rest. You do the same thing for list of table. And finally, what you have, you're going to end up with something like this. That's what you're looking for. Okay, so I'll see you in the next YouTube.